The Chery EQ1 Ant EV is a compact, fully electric city car developed by Chinese automaker Chery to meet the growing demand for affordable, eco-friendly urban mobility. Measuring just over 3.2 meters in length, it is designed for easy maneuverability and parking in crowded environments, while offering seating for 4 passengers. Its modern, youthful design features sleek lines, a minimalist interior, and smart connectivity options, making it appealing to younger drivers and city commuters. Powered by lithium-ion battery packs, the EQ1 Ant EV delivers ranges between 151 kilometers and 301 kilometers, depending on configuration, with a top speed of around 100 kilometers per hour. The electric motor ensures smooth acceleration and quiet operation, ideal for daily commutes. Safety is supported by ABS braking, electronic stability control, and reinforced body construction. The Honda Nuon EE is a modern KG-class electric vehicle that blends retro charm with advanced technology. Inspired by Honda's classic N360 design, it features a compact, boxy silhouette with rounded headlights and minimalist styling, making it both nostalgic and contemporary. Its small footprint ensures easy maneuverability in crowded urban environments, while the spacious interior maximizes comfort for daily commuting. Powered by an efficient electric motor and lithium-ion battery pack, the Nuon EE delivers smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and zero emissions. Depending on configuration, it offers a practical driving range suitable for city travel, with fast charging capability to minimize downtime. Inside, the cabin integrates digital displays, smartphone connectivity, and driver assist technologies, enhancing convenience. The Baojun Yep EV is a compact electric SUV designed by SAICOG Willing to bring rugged styling and eco-friendly performance to urban mobility. With its boxy, off-road inspired design, it stands out among city EVs, offering a youthful, adventurous look while remaining practical for everyday use. Despite its small footprint, the Yep EV provides seating for 4 passengers and a smartly arranged cabin with modern infotainment features. Powered by a lithium-ion battery pack, the Baojun Yep EV delivers a driving range of around 303 kilometers on a single charge, making it suitable for both city commutes and short trips. Its electric motor ensures smooth, quiet operation with responsive acceleration. Safety and convenience are enhanced by driver assist technologies, ABS braking, and stability control. The Toyota FTMI is a solar-powered electric microcar concept designed for urban mobility, offering ultra-compact dimensions, affordable pricing, and sustainable performance. It seats 2 passengers, measures under 2.5 meters, and can add up to 20-30 kilometers of daily range from its solar roof, making it ideal for short city commutes. Solar roof adds 12-30 kilometers of free daily range, reducing or eliminating the need for plug-in charging. Compact footprint, perfect for congested European and Asian cities, fits tight parking spots. Connectivity, smartphone integration for keyless entry and service access. Safety, 360 degrees visibility concept for better eye contact with other road users. Sustainability, built with recycled materials, aiming for a 90% lower carbon footprint compared to conventional city cars. The Honda Super EV concept is a compact electric car unveiled in 2025, designed to showcase Honda's commitment to fun, responsive driving in the EV era. It debuted globally at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in the UK, and later appeared at GIIAS 2025 Inches Indonesia. Debut, global launch at Goodwood Festival of Speed, July 2025. Followed by Asia Oceania premiere at GIIAS 2025, Tangerang, Indonesia. Design, compact body, lightweight build, and aerodynamic styling for agility and responsiveness. Driving philosophy, built around Honda's fun-to-drive ethos, ensuring EVs remain exciting, not just efficient. Cabin concept, uses Honda's man maximum, machine minimum principle, maximizing passenger space while minimizing mechanical intrusion. Performance display, demonstrated hill climb capability at Goodwood, highlighting its sporty handling. Visual identity. Camouflage graphics with blue and green accents, symbolizing fresh energy and Honda's digital future. The Wuling Bingguo EV is a stylish compact electric hatchback developed by Seikyu GME Wuling, aimed at delivering affordable and fashionable urban mobility. Measuring about 3.95 meters in length, it offers more interior space than micro EVs like the Hongguang Mini, making it practical for small families while remaining easy to maneuver in crowded city streets. Its design emphasizes a rounded, retro-modern aesthetic, appealing to younger buyers who value personality in their cars. Inside, the Bingguo EV features a digital cockpit with dual screens, minimalist controls, and smart connectivity options. It seats 4 passengers comfortably, with clever storage solutions and a bright, airy cabin. Powered by Wuling's lithium battery packs, it delivers ranges between 203 kilometers and 333 kilometers, depending on the variant, with a top speed of around 100 kilometers per hour. Safety is supported by reinforced construction, ABS braking, and driver assist features. The Fiat 500e is a stylish, fully electric version of the iconic Fiat 500, blending classic Italian design with modern sustainability. Compact and agile, it is perfectly suited for urban driving, offering easy maneuverability and effortless parking in tight spaces. Its retro-inspired exterior retains the charm of the original 500, while the interior features digital displays, intuitive controls, and eco-friendly materials, creating a chic yet practical cabin. Powered by a 42 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, the 500e delivers a range of up to 320 kilometers, WLTP, making it reliable for daily commutes and short trips. The electric motor provides smooth acceleration and a quiet ride, with fast charging capability that restores up to 80% of the battery in around 35 minutes. Safety and convenience are enhanced by driver assist systems, regenerative braking, and smart connectivity. The Mitsubishi Delica Mini is a K-Class minivan that combines practicality, compact size, and rugged styling for Japan's urban and suburban drivers. Measuring just under 3.4 meters in length, it fits within K-car regulations, making it highly maneuverable and efficient in tight city streets. Despite its small footprint, the Delica Mini offers a surprisingly spacious cabin, seating up to 4 passengers with flexible storage options. Its design reflects the adventurous spirit of the larger Delica vans, featuring a boxy silhouette, SUV-inspired grille, and elevated ride height that gives it a tough, outdoorsy character. Powered by a 660cc engine with optional hybrid assistance, it balances fuel efficiency with reliable performance. Safety and convenience are enhanced by driver assist systems, collision mitigation, and lane-keeping support. The Leapmotor T3 is a compact, fully electric city car from Chinese automaker Leapmotor, designed to deliver affordable and efficient urban mobility. Introduced in 2020, it quickly gained popularity for its balance of practicality, technology, and low running costs. Measuring just 3.6 meters in length, the T3 is easy to maneuver and park in crowded environments, while still offering seating for up to 4 passengers. Powered by a 3641 kilowatt-hours battery pack, it provides a driving range of 300-400 kilometers NEDC, making it suitable not only for daily commutes but also for longer trips. Its electric motor delivers up to 80 HP, with a top speed of around 100 kilometers per hour. Inside, the T3 features a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system, smart connectivity, and driver assistance technologies such as lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. The Yamaha Tricera Concept is a futuristic 3-wheeled electric vehicle designed to merge motorcycle freedom with car-like stability. Unveiled as part of Yamaha's vision for next-generation mobility, it features a reverse trike layout with 2 wheels at the front and 1 at the rear, offering enhanced balance and cornering performance. Its sleek, aerodynamic body emphasizes innovation, while the open cockpit delivers an exhilarating, immersive driving experience. Powered by an electric drivetrain, the Tricera Concept focuses on sustainability without sacrificing excitement. Yamaha integrates advanced steering and suspension systems, allowing riders to lean naturally into turns echoing the dynamics of a motorcycle but with added safety. The design highlights Yamaha's philosophy of Jinnoki Kanno, the joy of being one with the machine, by blending intuitive control with futuristic aesthetics. The Wuling Air EV is a compact electric city car developed by Seiko GM Wuling, designed to provide affordable, eco-friendly mobility for urban environments. With its minimalist, futuristic design, the Air EV stands out for its clean lines, LED lighting, and compact dimensions, making it easy to maneuver and park in crowded streets. Despite its small footprint, it offers seating for 4 passengers, with a smartly arranged interior that emphasizes comfort and practicality. Powered by a lithium-ion battery pack, the Air EV delivers ranges between 200 kilometers and 300 kilometers, depending on the variant, making it suitable for daily commutes and short trips. Its electric motor ensures smooth, quiet operation with responsive acceleration. Inside, the cabin features digital displays, smartphone connectivity, and intuitive controls, enhancing convenience for modern drivers. The Brabus Ultimate E is a high-performance electric city car based on the Smart EQ42, reimagined by German tuner Brabus for maximum style and speed. Compact yet powerful, it features an aggressive body kit with widened fenders, sporty bumpers, and signature Brabus detailing, giving it a bold presence despite its small footprint. Under the hood, the Ultimate E is equipped with a tuned electric drivetrain, delivering up to 92 HP and 180 Nm of torque, enabling swift acceleration and a top speed of around 130 km per hour, impressive for a micro EV. Its lightweight construction and responsive handling make it ideal for agile urban driving. Inside, the cabin is upgraded with premium leather upholstery, custom stitching, and exclusive Brabus trim, ensuring luxury matches performance. The MG Maze is a bold electric concept car created by Seik Design's advanced London studio, aimed at younger, tech-savvy urban drivers. Inspired by gaming culture, it emphasizes playfulness, connectivity, and personalization. Its futuristic design features a transparent body shell, exposed structural elements, and vibrant lighting accents, giving it a striking, almost sci-fi appearance. Compact and agile, the Maze is designed for city use, with seating for 2 passengers and an emphasis on lightweight construction. Inside, the cabin integrates augmented reality displays, gamified interfaces, and smartphone connectivity, turning driving into an interactive experience. The concept highlights user engagement, encouraging drivers to level up their journeys through digital rewards and immersive features. The Honda Nuve is a futuristic electric microcar concept developed to showcase Honda's vision for smart urban mobility. Compact and stylish, it is designed primarily for city commuting, featuring a fully electric drivetrain and a minimalist cabin optimized for efficiency. One of its most distinctive innovations is the Emotion Engine AI, which interprets driver emotions and behaviors to provide personalized assistance, enhancing both safety and user experience. Beyond personal transport, the Nuve integrates ride-sharing and car-sharing capabilities, allowing owners to generate income when the vehicle is not in use. It also functions as a mobile energy storage unit, capable of selling electricity back to the grid during peak demand, highlighting Honda's focus on sustainability. The Moke Miami is a modern electric reinterpretation of the classic Moke beach buggy, tailored for stylish leisure driving along sunny coastlines. Compact and open-air, it retains the iconic retro design with boxy lines, minimalist bodywork, and vibrant color options, making it a fashionable choice for resorts and city cruising. Its lightweight frame and simple controls emphasize fun and freedom, while the electric drivetrain ensures quiet, zero-emission performance. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the Moke Miami offers a practical range for short trips and coastal adventures, with smooth acceleration ideal for relaxed driving. The cabin is minimalist yet functional, featuring comfortable seating for 4, removable soft tops, and customizable finishes. Safety is enhanced with modern braking systems, LED lighting, and durable construction. The Rowe Clever is a compact electric city car developed by Seik Motor, designed to provide affordable and eco-friendly urban mobility. Measuring just over 3.1 meters in length, It is one of the smallest EVs in China, making it highly maneuverable and easy to park in crowded environments. Despite its size, the Clever offers seating for 2 passengers with a minimalist yet functional interior that emphasizes practicality. Powered by a 27 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, the Roway Clever delivers a driving range of around 260 kilometers (NEDC), making it suitable for daily commutes and short trips. Its electric motor produces about 41 HP, ensuring smooth acceleration and quiet operation. The cabin includes digital displays, smartphone connectivity, and essential safety features such as ABS braking and Its powerful motor and long-lasting lithium battery deliver reliable performance, ensuring extended use without frequent recharging. Comfort and usability are prioritized with ergonomic seating, adjustable footrests, and intuitive joystick controls, making operation simple and secure. Safety features include automatic braking, anti-slip tracks, and intelligent sensors that adapt to stair angles and surfaces. The M4 Pro also folds compactly, allowing for easy transport and storage when not in use. The XS2 M4 Pro is a versatile stair-climbing mobility device engineered to provide independence, safety, and convenience for users navigating multi-level environments. Built with a robust aluminum frame and advanced track system, it smoothly ascends and descends stairs, including steep or narrow ones, while maintaining stability and balance. Its powerful motor and long-lasting lithium battery deliver reliable performance, ensuring extended use without frequent recharging. Comfort and usability are prioritized with ergonomic seating, adjustable footrests, and intuitive joystick controls, making operation simple and secure. Safety features include automatic braking, anti-slip tracks, and intelligent sensors that adapt to stair angles and surfaces. The M4 Pro also folds compactly, allowing for easy transport and storage when not in use.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.